Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I'll tell you the difference between rights and obligations. The key difference between rights and obligations is that while rights refer to what we gain, obligations refer to what we should do. Rights and obligations play a key role in any society. It is these rights and obligations that strengthen the society, giving it more stability. They also lead to developing the social consciousness of people as social beings. Rights have to be viewed as individual entitlements such as freedom. Obligations, on the other hand, are our responsibilities as citizens or individuals of the society. This highlights that rights and obligations are two interrelated yet different parts of the social web. Now, what is right? A right can be defined as an entitlement to have or do something. Rights allow people to be aware of what they are entitled to and what they are not entitled to. In different societies and cultural groups, there are various rights. These may be backed up by social, ethical, or legal boundaries. When speaking of rights, a universal set of values applies to all human beings irrespective of nationality, sex, culture, religion, or ethnic group. These are known as human rights. Now, human rights are in a form of laws that apply to all human beings without any discrimination. It is the obligation of all states to implement these and create an ambience where human rights can be enjoyed by all the people. Some of these rights are right to live, right to equality, freedom of expression, and the right to education, right to work, right to enjoy economic, cultural, and social privileges, etc. It is believed that rights lay the foundation for the effective functioning and stabilization of any society. For example, let us take the rights of children, such as to be educated, to be loved, and nursed. If the child is given the opportunity to enjoy this right or his rights, he will learn to be a good citizen in the future. It is then that the child will perform his obligations to others as well. Now, what is obligation? An obligation can be defined as something that one must do because of a law, necessity, or because it's their duty. There are various forms of obligations, such as legal obligation, moral obligations, etc. For example, respecting adults or else looking after your parents when they are old is not a legal obligation. There are no laws that force you to do them. However, there are more moral obligation. Just as rights, obligation plays a vital role in the society. If individuals are more focused on obtaining the rights but are indifferent to the obligation, it creates a negative ambience. Hence, people should realize that just as they enjoy the rights, they have to fulfill the obligations to others. Now, what is the difference between rights and obligations? What is the definition? Now, a right can be defined as an entitlement to have or do something, whereas an obligation can be defined as something that must do because of a law, necessity, or because it's their duty. Now, entitlement or task. Rights are entitlements that people have, and obligations are individual tasks that need to be completed by those who are privileged by the rights. Now, for whom? Rights are for one's self, whereas the obligations are mostly for others. Now, what is the connection to the society? Rights are what we gain from the society. Obligations are what we do for the society. So, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comments.